What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Analytics account and link it to your Shopify store in order to get insights for your Shopify store, such as visits, activities, and so on. So as you can see here, I'm on my Shopify store, my Shopify homepage, and I'm signed in with my account. As you can see, my store name is here. So first of all, you need to create the Google Analytics account. So for that, you'll need to go to analytics.google.com here. And in this page, you will click on Start Measuring right here. And in here, you want to create an account. So test shop. Okay. And now in the Google data sharing settings, you can leave them as they are. Okay. So let's click on next. And here the property detail. So the property detail is like your shop. So if you have a shop or a series of shops, you can, or stores like stores or businesses, you can create a property name for each business and you can add properties as yours. So for now, we will only create one property name. So let's make it also test shop. Okay, just for the sake of this video. Now the time zone and the country, you should select the country and time zone you are in. For this, I'll leave it as United States, and the currency will be US dollars. However, you should change the currency depending on your country. Okay, now you can show advanced options. However, we do not want to right now, so let's click on next. And now you need to enter your business details. So the industry that we're in. So let's say I have a shop that sells like accessories, jewelry, and stuff like that. So let's say, okay, beauty and fitness, like fitness products. Okay. And now the number of employees, small, 1 to 10 employees. Okay. You can select the number that corresponds to with your company. Okay. Next. And then here, what you want your, what you want Google Analytics to do for your business. You can like generate leads, drive online sales, examine user behavior, and keep baseline reports. So generate leads, okay, drive online sales, looking good. You can change as many as you want or like one of them. Okay, set baseline reports. Okay. Now, looks like get baseline reports should be chosen as the cannot be combined with other options. So let's choose it, okay, and let's click on create. So now we should agree to the user agreement, service terms of service agreement. So here I'm in the United States, so we chose the country as United States. I also accept the data processing terms as required. They should appear here. However, they are okay. They are loaded now. And you should click on accept here. I accept. And now your account and property are successfully created. Now, we want to choose a platform. So that means we need to connect the Google Analytics account to a website or a service in order to start gathering data and analytics and insights. So here we want to click on web. You can choose Android app or iOS app if you have so. However, for us, we want to get analytics for our Shopify store. So we want to click on web. And here you want to enter your stream name. So your store name, or in this case, let's just name it test shop. Okay. And here in the website URL, you want to enter the URL for your Shopify store. So to get it, let's go back to our Shopify store here and then click on settings. And in the settings here under my store, this is the shop URL. So let's copy it here. Click on copy and go back to analytics and then paste it right here. And then what you want to do is create stream right here. Okay, now it is installed, so the stream is created successfully. However, we need to connect it or to install this piece of code into our Shopify store, so on the back end of our Shopify store, in order to connect the two and start measuring your analytics. However, one thing I should mention, though it's clear by now, I use like a name it the test shop in the stream name. However, of course, you should enter the name of your business. So if that wasn't already clear, just I needed to clarify. So now we'll need to copy this piece of code here. You can select it, highlight it and copy it, or click here to copy it, copy the code. And now we want to go to our Shopify store, close this for now, and go to customize theme, or go to online store here. And in the themes page, we want to click on the three dots right here next to your current theme, and then click on edit code. And now in the code editor here, from the menu on the left, you want to go to and click on theme.liquid. And here under the head, you want to click enter, enter, enter. So as many blank lines, it doesn't really matter. And here go back to this line right here, and then paste our code. And as you can see here, the code is now pasted in our code editor. Now what we want to do is click on save here. And now the code is injected to our Shopify store, or the back end of our Shopify store. Now to test it out, let's exit right here. And then what we want to do is go to our store, like visit it. So view your online store here. Okay, we just want to navigate here. I added like a dummy product, a sample product. We can click on it here to view it. Okay, it's sold out, as you can see here. Click on home, click on catalog, click on contact. So like navigating through the website here. Okay. So like randomly navigating the website just to make sure the connection is successful with Google Analytics. Now, let's go back to Analytics to check out the connection. Okay, let's close this pop-up menu. And here we want to close this also detail window. Okay. Now, as you see here, the connection is added, or like the stream is added. Now let's click on next. And as you see here, you have successfully created your account and property. So it might take up to 48 hours before the property starts collecting data. So you have to wait. Here you can continue to the home screen of your analytics. So here in the home, okay, uncheck all and save. Now here you have your home page. So as you can see here, the account is set to test shop. Here your test shop. If we click on it, you have only one property and app. So that is your test shop, your Shopify store. And here, if we scroll down a bit, you can see here that you have one user that like visited your website in the last 30 minutes. So that is the attempt that we did here. So as you can see here, the connection is now successful, and your Shopify store is connected to your Google Analytics account. So that's how easy it is to create a Google Analytics account and connect it to your Shopify store to get insights and activities of your store right into your Google Analytics account.